વડોદરા શહેરના ગોત્રી વિસ્તારમાં આવેલી શાનીન સ્કૂલ ખાતે બુસ્ટાગ્રામ સેશન 2નું આયોજન કરવામાં આવ્યું હતું. આ આયોજનમાં પહેલા રાઉન્ડમાં 12 અને 13 નવેમ્બરના રોજ યોજાયેલ હરીફાઈમાં ગ્રુપ એ અને બીમાંથી કુલ 175 વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ ભાગ લીધો હતો. 32 વિદ્યાર્થીઓ વિજેતા રહ્યા હતા. આ સ્પર્ધાની સેમીફાઇનલ રાઉન્ડ શાનીન ધ વર્લ્ડ સ્કૂલ ખાતે 21 નવેમ્બરના રોજ યોજાઈ. આ કાર્યક્રમમાં યુવા વિદ્યાર્થીઓ અન્ય નવા પુસ્તકો પર પોતાના મંતવ્ય અને વિચારો રજૂ કરનાર છે. આ પ્રસંગે શાનીન સ્કૂલના વાઇસ પ્રિન્સિપલ આકાંક્ષા શાહ તથા સ્પર્ધાના નિર્ણાયક મિસ પ્રિયંકા ગાંધી, શ્વેતા ગુપ્તા તથા અન્ય મહાનુભાવોની હાજરીમાં આ કાર્યક્રમ યોજવામાં આવ્યો હતો.
1931 has no money, no power, but confidence, strength, and dreams like a flower. He has compared the whole education system with a tree. A tree which is compared Radhika Rasema Faleshu Kadachana, which means a person has the right to perform his or her duties, but never to its fruit of your kind of rewards and awards. So that was the interview of my end. Now I want to share some thoughts about Dr.
To the semi-finals of Bookstagram Season 2 hosted by Shannon the World School JC Group. I'm Preeti Badlani and alongside
Mr. Arun Tiwari. Let me introduce something more fabulous about my author. A boy from a small town of here and on the stage is to change. This book gives the opportunity to one who is unique and potential. He says that every child in this world flowers, fruits and leaves. Dr. Kalam expresses that there is no age limit to blossom in your life. You are the
This forward-thinking approach inspires every initiative we take, including platforms like Bookstagrams, which nurture reading, creativity and expression. She's a passionate, creative writer. She leads research in nanotechnology while nurturing young readers through her book club and creative workshops. A theatre artist, storyteller and staying connected to knowledge and continuous learning is essential. Under the visionary leadership of our chairman, Dr. Sunil Dilwadi sir, of JC Group of Institutes, has been steadily expanding its reach and creating meaningful education.
Dear students, thank you for nurturing leaders who think deeply and speak fearlessly. Your presence enriches this competition. And to our semi-finalists, today is about your voice, your interpretation.
Round of applause for them. She is a certified trainer and wellness coach. She blends academic depth with practical application, nurturing confident, industry-ready individuals with a strong foundation for lifelong growth.
make it more brighter. Hey there, good morning. Well, I'm present here, respected judges, my dear book lovers. It is my pleasure to introduce myself and to give book review on You Are Born to Blossom. My name is Parik Aditi and I am going to represent my book review on You Are Born to Blossom, which is written by the missile man of our India. Guess who is he? Definitely, yes.
Trainer and wellness coach, and Ms. Priyanka Gandhi, researcher in nanotechnology, founder of Manthan Book Club and Akhya Literary Initiative. Ma'am, it's an honor to have both of you with us today. Please give them a warm round of applause for this magnificent celebration of reading, confidence and creativity. Before we move ahead, let us extend our heartfelt respect and warmest greetings to the distinguished guest.
It was so wonderful to hear young readers over here, and I could see their imagination bloom. And I'm sure the young readers who came up with such beautiful reviews are going to make use of this imagination in their life as well. So I wish them to keep reading, keep clicking, and keep imagining throughout your life so that your life is never boring, right? Thank you so much.
Good morning. I'm Priyanka Gandhi and I'm here to judge or to evaluate students who are presenting their book reviews in the semi-final round of Baroda. And I found students excellent, like they are thorough with the books. They have read it so well, and at this age, if they are doing such commendable job, it is really praiseworthy. तो जितनी एज उनकी है, जितने छोटे वो लोग हैं, वो देख के लगता है कि कब इनको इतना टाइम मिलता होगा इतने स्कूल के टाइम में से निकाल के कि वो पढ़ रहे हैं। और ये एक हमारे लिए पॉजिटिविटी है कि हमारी जनरेशन कोई नहीं है जो पढ़ने वाली जनरेशन है। और बहुत सारा कुछ इन लोगों से मुझे आज यहाँ सीखने को मिला है कि कितने तरह के और जोनर भी हो सकते हैं जो हम एक्सप्लोर करें। क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है, एक एज में हम पहुँच जाते हैं, उसके बाद हम बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को नकार देते हैं। तो वो इन बच्चों से हमको वापस, जो जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल ये फैंटेसी की बुक्स में से कुछ लेके आते हैं, तो हमको दोबारा उस इमेजिनेटरी वर्ल्ड में लेके जाते हैं। तो मैं बहुत बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करती हूँ पूरी टीम को, सारे बच्चों को। और मेरे लिए हमेशा, जैसे हम कहते हैं कि जीतना हारना इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट, पार्टिसिपेट करना इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट। उस एक पार्टिसिपेशन के लिए उन्होंने न जाने कितनी और बुक्स भी पढ़ी होंगी, उसमें से एक बुक चूज़ करके वो लाए होंगे कि मुझे यहाँ प्रेजेंट करनी है। और उनका कितना हार्ट कनेक्शन होगा उस बुक के साथ, जो आज ही ख़त्म नहीं होने वाला है, उनके लाइफ लॉन्ग उनके साथ चलने वाला है। सो आई एम सो हैप्पी फॉर दैम। थैंक यू।
For all of us to live again in another world, in another reality. And Bookstagram gives us a platform to share that experience with everybody. So I'm extremely grateful to Shannon, to Bookstagram, and to everybody who made this possible, to give all the readers and dreamers a platform for all of us to express ourselves and our happiness. Thank you.
From Sharon Kids School CBSE, and it's such a great honor to come here in the semi-finals round, and it's such a big stage. There are so many talented people with me.
Hello everybody, it was a wonderful feeling and a wonderful platform for me to come here at Bookstagram, and I feel truly appreciated